honest and real commission loophole pro review. If you want to crush online as a super affiliate in 2021, then you are warmly welcome to my Commission Loophole Pro review. Commission Loophole Pro is a cloud-based app that provides you with the tools and resources you need to make tons of sales as an affiliate. Glenn Kosky is the creator of Commission Loophole Pro. He is top 1% vendor of Warrior Plus with 1,10,000 plus in sales. And in his 7 years of online experience, he has never seen anything like this before. Commission Loophole Pro is a 100% solid brand new method. It's a 100% ethical loophole and works in worldwide on all devices and fully adapted. And after Michel's discovery, the team tested this awesome loophole strategy themselves and immediately made 327 plus, which is really awesome. But there was a big problem with this. There was too much manual work required to keep this working, and it was not wanted. So they decided to automate the whole strategy. Though Michel's strategy brings free buyer traffic, but it requires time and requires to sit in front of the PC to monitor. That's the reason behind the creation of this awesome software named Commission Loophole Pro. To speed up and automate the full strategy. It's fresh and easy to use. And you are about to ethically tap into a 1.7 billion user platform to get free buyer traffic on demand. Whenever you require traffic, just open the app. All you need to do is sit back while the Commission Loophole app brings you free buyer traffic from 1.7 billion active users. So why are you waiting for? You have nothing to lose. Try it today. See, the price is $17, but when you try to cross it, you will get 4% off and the price is $13. This is awesome. And you will also get my special bonuses over 30,000 in real world value. Here is my exclusive bonuses worth of $30,000 plus real world value. You will get YouTube Velocity. You can unlock and set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. And another one is MIF. MIF puts the wind at our campaign bag, glides it over 3 gigantic platforms. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingertips, and we are going to show you how to turn this traffic into cold hard commissions. Discovery ad codes plus bonus page generator software. Another one is Gina. Gina is a software for free buyer traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. Includes high converting done for you campaigns to promote and monetize the free flowing traffic. This is a complete plug and play push button solution. Another one is Genobia. Genobia solves the 2 biggest challenges that all newbies face. How to get buyer traffic and how to turn it into daily commissions with the hottest selling offer in 2021. Then Cleopatra. Cleopatra is a traffic software to online gold uncovering buyers where no one else is looking. Unlock proven buyer traffic where no one else is looking for it. Cleopatra automates this profit strategy on LinkedIn. Another one is Golden Stats. Golden Stats include unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again flipping domains. Another one is TweetX. TweetX is a software automates traffic on Twitter plus bonus page generator software. Another one is affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. Then Forget About Broke. Forget About Broke is an incredibly unique strategy invented by Johnny Rose that gets newbies sales consistently in their spare time without any experience or technical skills. And another one is Nova. Nova is a Chrome extension which allows user to follow targeted audience on TikTok, and also done for you offers on the front end along with step-by-step training and top high converting squeeze and thank you pages and lots more you can check. And I have put the special link in my description below. You can check it out now. Now we will talk about the total overview of Commission Loophole Pro. Commission Loophole Pro is launched by Glenn Kosky and the launch date is 13 August at 10 EDT, and the front end price is $17, and yes, you will get huge bonuses nearly worth of $13,000 plus in real world value. And my personal recommendation about this product is 9.7 out of 10, and this is highly recommended, and this app is perfect for both newbies and expert marketers, and you will get 180 days money back guarantee. Now let's talk about the Commission Loophole Pro. How does it work? Commission Loophole Pro works in easy 3 simple steps to free traffic with Commission Loophole. The step 1 is purchase. Click the buy button below to secure your copy now. Act fast before the price increases. And step 2 is enter. Input any link, website or funnel for unlimited free buyer traffic. Takes 60 seconds or less. And step 3 is activate. Turn on the loopholes to start generating buyer traffic to your links. But does it work for newbies? Yes, of course it works for newbies. Now we will talk about the features of Commission Loophole Pro. You are one click away from free buyer traffic. Tap into an underground secret platform. Commission Loophole is 100% unique and never before seen. Be up and running in 2 simple steps. Get real buyers who are really ready to buy. No monthly fees. Pay once and use forever. No technical skills, no list, no website needed. Commission Loophole works on any device. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. Act now to lock in the $10,000 plus free VIP bonus packages. The price is rising. If you wait, you will pay more. Get started risk-free with 180-day money-back guarantee. Get results and or get cost for free. Now there is a big question is why it is different. Why Commission Loophole Pro is different from other products? Now let's talk about this. Nothing else on the market is comparable to Commission Loophole app. This is by far the easiest system ever and built for newbies and expert marketers. You don't no experience required, no spamming social media, no list building required, no paid traffic required, no list building required, no extra expenses required, no website or domain required. All you need is a computer or laptop or mobile device with an internet connection, and you will be able to utilize the power of Commission Loophole without creating any content, recording videos or blogging, without building funnel pages from scratch, without spending hundreds per month on page builder, hosting and complicated split testing software, without risking your time and money on campaigns you have no idea will convert or not, without begging to be approved to promote, without waiting weeks to months for results or even worse, not to getting results and not knowing why, without paying a dime for traffic. You will never find anything that's easier and more effective than Commission Loophole. Why should you need Commission Loophole Pro now? You are one click away from free buyer traffic. Tap into an underground secret platform. Commission Loophole is 100% unique and never before seen. Be up and running in 2 simple steps. Get real buyer who are ready to buy. No monthly fees, pay once and use forever. No technical skill needed, no niche, no website needed. Commission loophole works on any device. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. The price is rising. If you are wait, you will pay more. Get started risk-free with 180-day money-back guarantee. Get results or get cost for free. Now we will talk about the autos and funnel details of commission loophole. The front-end price of commission loophole is $17. Now it's time for the auto. The auto one is unlimited, no limits. This is worth of $47 and the downsell price is $27. Unlock unlimited for 1000x more buyer traffic and more commission in just one click. And auto 2 is 100% done for you. This is worth of $197 and the downsell is $47. Add done for you traffic and unlimited commissions to your order now, only 12 spots. Auto 3 is automated traffic. This is worth of $97 and the downsell is $37. Tap into their golden source of traffic for unlimited commissions this year. Auto 4 is 10x automation. This is worth of $67 and the downsell is $37. Put your new software on autopilot for traffic and commissions while you sleep. This is 100% automated system. And the Auto 5 is ATM Max Edition. This is worth of $147 and the downsell is $47. Let them do all the hard work while you sit back, relax and get paid big time. A complete money making system. And Auto 6 is Ultimate Income. This is worth of $97 and the downsell price is $47. Get 99 of their best money making products for 47 cents each. Clone their bonuses 100% done for you. 0 monthly fees. And the Auto 7 is license rights. This is worth of $297 and the downsell price is $97. What if they let you sell a commission loophole and you keep all the profits for yourself? And Auto 8 is 1K per daily edition. This is worth of $47 and the downsell is $27. Supercharge your commission loophole account to 30K in the next 30 days and clone their business 100% done for you. And the Auto 9 is Super Affiliate Edition. This is worth of $37 and the downsell price is $27. Special opportunity to maximize your profits. And would you like to generate $15 plus by pressing one button? Then you can do it. And the Auto 10 is $1 million edition. This is worth of $97 and the downsell price is $37. Let an internet millionaire force you to 10K plus month in 16 days for just $2.45 plus a day. Now it's time for my final verdict about Commission Loophole Pro. So Commission Loophole Pro is really a masterclass app which literally does all the work for you and you know about the strategy which is proven. Moreover, this helps you to automate everything without paying for traffic and without any further cost. And you can expect very fast results with this and expect free real buyer traffic from 1.7 billion active users platform without doing any video, without creating any content. And this is proven. So in my opinion, it's worth to buy. And don't forget to grab my special bonuses which is over $30,000 plus in real world value. If you get commission loophole through my link, you will get those exclusive bonuses automatically. I have put my special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it now. And after purchase, you will get this button, excess affiliate bonuses, and through this link, you will get my bonuses. And thanks again for checking my Commission Loophole Pro review. Wishing everyone a very healthy and wealthy life.